What is up, guys, and welcome back to my channel, Homes with Shield. So in today's video, we're over here in Warrior, Alabama, and I'm at the home place, and I'm going to be taking you through this Tahoe Harbor. Okay, the Tahoe Harbor is built by Deer Valley Homes, and man, just look at this exterior. So you got this kind of T-Ranch look, all these different dimensions and all that going on. And then one of the coolest things I've seen is this built-in back porch. So, you know, in most of my videos, we're actually site building the back porch. Well, as you can see here, this is actually part of the modular plan itself, or the plan itself. And so we don't have to site build that. It goes, it comes like that. You know, it comes into the plan, integrated into the plan, really cool stuff. I'll show you more of that once we get inside. But check that out. Just a beautiful exterior. I can't wait to show you guys more when we get inside. You got the beautiful cedar shutters there, the black windows with the cool grids on them. Really good stuff. Beautiful front door tying in those shutters. So let's get in here and take a look. All right, so I'm up here on this front porch. Let's open that beautiful front door. Wow. Man, if you're looking for an open concept, this is the one. I mean, look at this just huge open space. So I'm going to spin around and show you that front door, because you do have like a true foyer entryway there. Really good stuff. Notice the beam work, the big 6-inch crown there, coffer type ceiling with those beams. I love it. All right, so let's keep it moving. Over here you've got the beautiful fireplace kind of built into the corner there. Really good use of the space there. I love the stone. Again, kind of seeing that brown, that deep brown wood trims for the beams, the shutters, all that good stuff. And that living room opens up to your dining on the left, which is, you're just surrounded by windows. I mean, so you've got the glass door, the windows. Look at the size of these. I mean, these are absolutely massive windows, letting in all this natural light to that dining area. And then that opens up to that back porch, which we will get to here in a second. But look at the scale of this island. I mean, absolutely huge island. And then my favorite thing about this plan so far has been this range hood. A real statement piece there over your range oven. Got some big pantry cabinets here on the left. Now, one thing about the Deer Valley home, just really, really quality cabinets. So you got the dovetail, full extension. The soft close hardware they use is the best in the game. So it is by no means just your average cabinet. These are the best cabinets really you can kind of find in the industry for sure. So let's keep it moving. Just a really, really big kitchen. And, you know, that's overlooking this big open concept. So I can't, imagine hosting here. It would be just super awesome to have everybody in this open space. And then while we're over here, let's check out this back patio. So again, this is unlike most of my videos where you have to add the back porch. This is actually built into the plan. How cool is this? Outlets on the wall, recessed lighting, got the stone fireplace. I mean, this is hard to beat. All right, so again, we're in Warrior, Alabama at the home place. We are touring some Deer Valley plans, and this one, man, is gonna be hard to beat. I love it. All right, so down that hallway is gonna be your spare bedrooms and baths. Over here is going to be that primary suite, so let's get right into it. Good sized bedroom. Walk-in closet to my right. Really nice, hard, heavy-duty shelving on both sides there. Notice the bullnose edging on the sheetrock. That is included with the Deer Valley homes as well. Just a nice way to kind of, you know, dress everything up a little bit. On to the master bath. So man, this is a really cool bathroom. Really excited to show you guys. So you've got separate sinks. So you've got the his and her sink set up. Here you got your water closet or toilet room with its own window, which is nice. But what's so cool about it is obviously you've got the split sinks, like I said, which is very rare. But check out this shower. So it actually overlooks the tub. Really unique way to set this up. And this is a huge tub. So got the huge tub, got the huge shower. They're kind of like overlooking each other with this big piece of glass. Really fancy, really modern feel. I love it. And then each sink has a ton of cabinetry. So pull out drawers. I mean, just a ton of storage in these bathrooms. All right, so let's go down that hallway and we will knock out the spare bedrooms real quick. Bath 2. Utility room here. Washer and dryer hook up on the right. Utility closet, storage closet here. Water heater closet there. Bedroom 2, really good size spare bedroom. Huge windows again. I love how tall the windows are. Got your furnace closet here. The last of the spare bedrooms. And then you've got your door off the side. So this will probably be your everyday door here. Your driveway would come in here, walk in the door, go down the hallway, got the utility room on the left like I showed you there. And then everything kind of revolves around this big open living room, open concept. Just absolutely love this space here. So you couple that with the exterior look of this house, with the interior layout, with the awesome back porch. I mean, this plan is hard to beat. So thank you guys for clicking on this video. New videos every Monday and Thursday at 4:30. If you have any suggestions, please comment. If you haven't already subscribed, what are you doing? Please subscribe. Thank you so much. Take care.